Though they're so widely available, many of the commonly used commercial cleaning products that are on the market today are made of chemicals that can cause or exacerbate illness in humans. Not only that, but these products can also negatively impact the environment. Luckily, environmentally friendly ingredients can also be used as effective cleaning products. Two of the most common green ingredients used for cleaning are baking soda and vinegar. They can be used separately, together, or mixed with other natural products and are a healthier, less toxic way to clean your home. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild alkali that not only cleans but also deodorizes and is a gentle abrasive. Vinegar is an acid that's an effective, non-toxic alternative to popular cleaners, including bleach. It deodorizes and is often used for the removal of stains, mold, and rust. Now, let's get into exactly how you can use them and what for. 1. Multipurpose cleaner. Make up a natural general cleaner with half vinegar, half water, and a sprinkle of baking soda in a spray bottle. Shake to mix well before every spray. You can use this as a DIY everyday cleaner for bench tops, kitchen basins, tiles, and lots more. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to make your whole home smell amazing. 2. Clean your kitchen sink. Wet the sink, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, and scrub, then rinse. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and the same paste on the rim and caulk. Line the sink with paper towels that you've soaked in white vinegar, leave them there for 20 minutes, then remove to reveal the sparkling kitchen sink of your dreams. You'll be seriously impressed with this one. 3. Clean your drain. You might not remember to clean your drains until they start to smell. And when that happens, it's usually a sign that you're one hair or toenail away from a complete blockage. To keep your drain about as clean as a drain can ever be, sprinkle 4 tablespoons of baking soda into it, followed by 2 cups of vinegar. Once the bubbling stops, flush the drain with boiling water. Use soapy water and vinegar-soaked paper towels to clean the faucet, too. 4. Make a bathroom cleaner. This vinegar and baking soda cleanser works on any bathroom surface. It cuts through soap scum and mildew as well as any commercial bathroom product and costs just pennies. To make the cleanser, mix 1½ cups of baking soda and ½ cup of liquid soap in a bowl. Dilute with ½ cup of water and add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Stir the mixture with a fork until any lumps dissolve, then pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Shake well before using. Squirt the solution on the area to be cleaned and scrub with a nylon-backed sponge. Finish by rinsing off with water. You can use this to clean the germiest spots in your bathroom. Just make sure to keep the cleanser covered between uses. 5. Clean grout. Staying in the bathroom, if you have grout that you know needs to be cleaned and you don't want to pay a professional cleaning service to get it looking like new, try this vinegar and baking soda combo. Sprinkle baking soda in the grout, then spray vinegar over baking soda. Allow the vinegar to react to the baking soda before cleaning the grout by scrubbing it with an old toothbrush. Follow up with a rag to wipe up the dirt. Dip the toothbrush in a cup of water to rinse in between scrubbing. 6. Clean the outside of your toilet. Another must-know baking soda and vinegar hack in the bathroom is to deodorize the outside of the toilets. Simply make a paste with baking soda and water and rub it around the sides and base of the toilet, including the tile surrounding the toilet. Let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then spray vinegar over the top. Once the bubbles have done their thing, wipe everything up with a clean, wet rag. 7. Remove stains on the carpet. Of course, baking soda and vinegar are great cleaners, independently, and in most cases, vinegar is a great all-purpose cleaner. But there are a number of things you should never clean with vinegar. One thing you can clean with vinegar is your carpet. To lift light carpet stains with vinegar and baking soda, rub them with a mixture of 2 tablespoons salt dissolved in ½ cup of white vinegar. Let the solution dry, wait for 2 hours, then vacuum. For larger or darker stains, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture and use in the same way. 8. Boost laundry detergent. It may sound like a cliche, but adding ½ cup of baking soda to your usual amount of liquid laundry detergent really will give you brighter colors. The baking soda also softens the water so you can actually use less detergent. Adding ½ cup of baking soda in top-loading machines also increases the potency of bleach, so you only need half the usual amount of bleach. If you have clothes that need to be thoroughly cleaned, add a cup of vinegar to the mix. Its antibacterial properties will get your clothes clean in no time. And don't worry, they won't smell of vinegar when they come out. 9. Freshen Up Towels. This is the last laundry hack of this video, we promise. If your towels have lost their clean and fresh smell, one of the best ways to use baking soda and vinegar is to freshen them up. Simply add about half a cup of baking soda in place of your regular laundry detergent, then add vinegar in place of fabric softener during the rinse cycle. Dry normally, and you'll notice your towels have a brand new freshness. They should feel and smell like new towels. It's well worth trying this vinegar and baking soda laundry method before you toss them out and buy new towels. 10. Clean pans. If you have pans with baked-on burnt gunk, you can use vinegar and baking soda to help get it off. Just fill the pan with a small layer of water and add about a cup of vinegar. Bring the pan to a simmer, then remove from heat. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and let the pan sit until most of the bubbles are gone. Finally, use a scouring pad to remove all of the burnt stains from the pan. You'll be amazed at how well this works. 11. Clean your dishwasher. Dishwasher starting to take on a funky smell? Yep, you probably can't put off cleaning it any longer. Luckily, with baking soda and vinegar, you can get the job done in no time. Fill a large measuring cup with 2 cups of vinegar and let it sit on the top rack of your dishwasher. Run a complete dishwashing cycle using hot water, then sprinkle baking soda throughout the bottom of the dishwasher and run the dishwasher again. Your dishwasher should look nice and clean, but if you do happen to be left with any stubborn spots, you can put some baking soda on a toothbrush and do a little scrubbing. 12. Wash your hair. Baking soda is a favorite amongst those who prefer less conventional hair washing methods. This probably isn't for everyone, but don't knock it unless you've tried it. Just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda per 1 cup of water to make your shampoo. Apply to your roots and wash, then rinse really well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar per 1 cup of water for your conditioner. Apply to middle and ends of hair. This hair washing method is supposed to help you wash your hair for less, leaving it shinier for longer. Bet you didn't know there were so many things you could use baking soda and vinegar for. If we missed a hack in this video, be sure to let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 40 brilliant uses and benefits of baking soda you never knew. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.